Right then, hi everyone. So this is the second unboxing video, as I said I was going to do. So this is what we've got. Okay, so first of all I have these curtains. Now, there you go. They're lovely, aren't they? I think they're lovely, these curtains. Now I'm not quite sure where to put these. Actually that's the wrong way round. This is the way round they go, with the bows at the front, you see. So they'll either fit upstairs in the bedroom, or they'll fit downstairs in the lounge. But because none of the rooms are sorted out yet, see, the trouble is with that bed is it's too big to go in the bedroom. I don't know. I might decide to put that bed into his side, because the bedroom is huge in there, and I might put that in there. In which case I'll have to get another bed for this house, obviously. Because, I mean, look at where that chest of drawers is. I mean, can you see? Look. This chest of drawers is right behind the end of the bed there, and there's no way you could ever open any of the drawers. So it's a bit silly. And I did try it round the other way, but there's even less room to get anywhere. I don't know. We'll come up with something for this bedroom. That's the trouble with this house. It's all the wrong scale. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe I can find a bed that's slightly less wide than that one, or anyway. But George does fit in it, you know. He does actually lie down quite well in that. I mean, that's... There you go. See, look. There's George lying down in the bed, and he fits in there perfectly. So, I don't know. I don't know what to do about it. But as I say, these curtains are handmade. I didn't make them. But I know someone who can make them. And if I want more curtains, I can get them done. So that's good, isn't it? I think it's great. So, so now we have the things for the other things I have for this house, which no one has yet seen. And these came from Middle Mum's Miniatures. Alright. So, there you go. Middle Mum's Miniatures. See? Yeah. And so, what we got is we have, when we get the bed sorted out, actually one of the drawers has fell out, we have this bedside cabinet, which I think is lovely. I do. Get a bit more light on that. There you go. Yeah, bedside cabinet, all the drawers open. Yes, so there's that. And then we have another chair, exactly the same as the one we have in the bathroom. So, you see, the way that I got those chairs, it came with a table. So there were 4 chairs and a table. So I put one in the bathroom, and so now I've got 4 chairs again to go with the table. Which is good, isn't it? And I like these chairs because they've got these sort of woven seats, which are like fabric, which is nice, I'm thinking. And then we got, there's a little basket there, which is good, don't you think? Little basket. What things in it? And then we've got, oh, there's a box of goodies there. There's a cushion for the chair, or you could use that cushion anywhere, couldn't you, really? That cushion could be used anywhere. Yeah. And then we've got this little chest here. Okay. See, that would be a good height for that bed, wouldn't it? And then this little chest, look, it just opens like this. Little chest. I think that's alright, don't you? That'll go probably in each side. Probably. And then we've got this box of goodies. So we have in this little box, which I see is stuck back together. Yeah. Now this is what I really wanted out of this lot. Okay. So we might need the bedside unit back down again for this. Okay, so we got this little like cranberry chalice thing, which is really quite pretty, with a gilt, I think. I'm going to press that stupid button again, please. There you go. There we are. And then for this little chair, I'll put this on here. So you can see this as well. This little heart, which you can hang on something. I don't know if it'll hang on here actually, it might hang on the leg. Oh dear. Isn't it always the way? There you go. There, little heart. See? Little heart there. But what I really wanted was these flying ducks. I've always had a thing about these ducks that fly on the wall. So, there's this one. I don't know, it's quite hard to see these, isn't it? Can I show them against? I don't know. So hard. What can I do? Let me go, a bit of pink tissue. There you go. So there's this one. Right. This is the bigger of the two. I mean, I know there should be three, but I've only got two. But they're made of metal, and they're enamelled, which is nice. And so here's the other one. That's the other one. Okay, these mallards. I love them. They're going on the wall. Not in this house, they're not, but they're going in the wall of whatever house I put them in. So, there you go then. Nice and short, just the way you like it. And, I don't know what the next video, I think I'm going to have to be putting that wallpaper up in the bedroom. And I'll see if I can find a bed that isn't as wide as that. Maybe I'll just move that chest of drawers. Maybe that's what I'll do. Maybe, I don't know, you see. It's confusing, isn't it? Yeah, I'll have to sort something out with that. I did buy a wardrobe for this bedroom, but it was too high. It wouldn't fit in. And it's like anything upstairs here, nothing fits in. You see, I've got the fairy sitting in the bathroom there. So yeah, I'll see you next time with another video. I think we'll try and do something with this bedroom. I think we're using those curtains in the lounge. But yeah, we'll get that wallpaper up, I think. I think that's the way to go about it. So, see you soon with another video.